Q25. If the P, Q and R terms of a GP are ABC respectively, prove that A power Q minus R, B power R minus P, C power P minus Q equals to 1. Okay. So P, Q terms and R terms are in GP. Okay. See, now first solution. See. Let the first term is say A. First term is A. Okay. So Pth term, how much A? So that is A P equals to A. Next, Qth term, A Q equals to B. And Rth term, A R equals to C. So Pth actually nth term means what? A into R power n minus 1. Here Pth term means, here first term is A into R power n minus 1. See common ratio R power P minus 1 equals to A. So here A into Qth term. So say it is common ratio is a capital R. It is better. See here already small r is there. So common ratio is capital R. So A into R power P minus 1. Here already R is there. Okay. So A into R power Q minus 1. Actually A into R power n minus 1. Here R is n is Q. So R term A into R power R minus 1 equals to C. This is B. Okay. So now here LHS, what is LHS? See the LHS. A into Q minus R, B into R minus P, C into P minus Q. Okay, now we will prove that this value is 1. Okay. See what is the value of A? What is the value of A? A is A into R power P minus 1 whole power R power Q minus A value how much? A into R power P minus 1, yes, P minus 1 whole power Q minus R. Okay. So that multiply with B value A into R power Q minus 1 whole power R minus Q. Here C value A into R power R minus 1 whole power P minus Q. Okay. See A power m whole power n. What is the formula A power m whole power n? A power m whole power n. A power m whole power n equals to A power m times n. A power m times n. So another one is AB whole power m. AB whole power m equals to A power m times B power m. See this is how the form A B whole power m. AB whole power m. So A power m times B power m. So A into Q, A power Q minus R into R power P minus 1. Now this is the form A power m whole power n. A power mn. So P minus 1 into Q minus R. Okay, next into A power R minus P into R power Q minus 1 into R minus P. Okay, next into A power P minus Q into R power R minus 1 into P minus Q. Okay. Now see, here A is there, 3 A's are there, so bases are same. Bases are same means exponents are added. So see the formula is A power m into A power n. A power m into A power n into A power l equals to A power L plus m plus n. A power L plus m plus n. So this is the form A power Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. Okay. Here also A power m, A power n, A power l. So R power P minus 1 into Q minus R plus Q minus 1 into R minus P plus R minus 1 into P minus Q. Now minus or plus are cancelled, positive to negative cancel, positive to negative cancel. So A power 0, this is A power 0 into R power. See now P times of Q, PQ. P times of R, PR. Here negative symbol is there, minus PR. Minus 1 times of Q is minus Q. Minus of minus is plus R. Okay. Plus Q times of R, QR. Q times of P, minus PQ. Minus 1 times of R, minus R. Minus 1 times of minus P, plus Q. Okay, next. Plus R times of P, PR. R times of Q, minus QR. Minus 1 times of P, minus P. Minus 1 times of minus Q, plus Q. Okay. See now, here PQ, positive PQ, negative PQ get cancelled. Next, negative PR, positive PR get cancelled. Still C1s QR get cancelled. Next one, positive or negative or get cancelled. Negative Q, positive Q cancel. Okay, positive P, negative P cancel. So here also here A power 0 value 1, A power 0 value 1, here R power 0. So 1 times of 1 power R power anything power 0 value also 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, which is equals to RHS. Which equals to RHS.